Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. After your password appears over here, you can add any other one by hitting this plus next to Search Passwords. Finally, you can input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number. Password and even some helpful notes. When you're done, just tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!